All right, come with me. We are going to make some tea and put it in this cute little tea set that my mom gave me. So we're going to grab some stuff that's starting to grow in the herb garden. So we're going to grab some licorice leaves. It's kind of like a hyssop. It's or a black anise licorice plant. It's not a licorice root. I have some more over here. Yep. And then we're going to grab some of the stuff I just planted. Isn't that a pretty purple phlox back there? Love it. All right, and then here is some basil that I overwintered that is kind of sad, but we can still pick a couple little leaves off of it. It's just trying to adjust coming back out into the big world. There's some yarrow and sage. I'm going to skip those ones. We're going to come over here to my favorite, which is the lemon balm. I'm going to grab a bunch of that. I really like that. And then we got to go back to where I just was to grab the mint. Gosh, you got to have mint. So we're going to grab some leaves here. I love lemon balm. There's just a whole abundance of lemon balm. Let's just grab a couple more, right? Can't hurt. All right, now we're going to go back over here. Look how good the strawberries are doing. They're doing so wonderful. Then we have over here some peppermint and some spearmint. So we're just going to grab a couple leaves of both. Isn't that lovely?